Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce burnout with Harvard Online step by step clearly. Begin by recognizing the signs of burnout in your life. Acknowledge feelings of exhaustion, frustration, and detachment from work. Research Harvard's online resources on burnout and mental health. Visit the Harvard Online website to explore available courses. Select courses specifically focused on stress management and well-being. Read course descriptions and objectives to ensure alignment with your needs. Register for a course that interests you, checking prerequisites if necessary. Set aside dedicated time during the week for course participation. Organize your study environment to minimize distractions. Engage actively with course materials and discussions. Take notes on key concepts related to burnout reduction. Implement strategies learned from the course into your daily routine. Incorporate breaks into your schedule to prevent overwhelm. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing. Reach out to peers and instructors for support and insights. Reflect on your progress regularly to assess changes in your mental state. Consider additional resources like webinars or articles offered by Harvard. Connect with a mentor or counselor to discuss your experiences and feelings. Evaluate your work-life balance and set boundaries to protect your well-being. Stay committed to ongoing learning about self-care and resilience. Gradually measure the impact of these practices on your burnout levels. Adjust your strategies based on what works best for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.